Most US brands are flying blind with broken Google Analytics setups. That's where I come in. I charge $150 an hour to fix what others can't. And today, I will show you exactly how I do it. Here's the truth. 7 out of 10 companies I work with in the USA have inaccurate data, wrong conversions, missing events, duplicate tracking. All of it leads to bad decisions and wasted ad spend. I position myself as the analytics doctor. Instead of selling vague marketing services, I focus on one thing: fixing broken Google Analytics. US brands pay me because accurate data means smarter campaigns and higher ROI. My process is simple. Audit the current setup, identify tracking errors, implement fixes in GA4 and Tag Manager, validate with live testing. Within hours, brands go from chaos to clarity. When I charge $150 per hour, it's not just for fixing code, it's for saving thousands in wasted ad spend. That's why US brands happily pay for precision.